Today I'm field testing the Lark M2 lavalier wireless microphone. As you can see, I'm out in the open, I'm far away from my camera, and still you gain that clear audio, and that's all because of this guy right here, if you can see him or not. So today I am testing the combo set. I'm going to show you a couple of different configurations, a couple of different ways it can work. Let's head back indoors where I can actually show you a little bit closer. So everything you see here does come with the combo kit. Now the first connection we can do is using the lightning plug into our phone or the USB-C into our phone, depending what you have. And then that's going to use it as a transmitter to the lavalier mic. From there, we could grab the aux cable and connect it into this transmitter. Now this is going to connect to your camera, and then you're going to have complete controls over volume and stereo mono with the actual transmitter itself. Now when it comes to lavalier microphones, you do have a couple of connection options as far as how you can wear it. The first one is the magnet that comes on the back. You can just pin it inside your shirt. Then you could take that magnet off and use this clip. You could pin this to a hat, your shirt, or somewhere that you need it clipped to. And the third option is this necklace. So basically you could just wear this, connect the lavalier microphone, and you don't have to worry about having anything connected to your actual body. So something else I did want to do is I've removed the microphone. As you can see, the RX unit is now in my hand. It's no longer on my phone. So you should be able to get a direct comparison with the audio quality. So you can kind of see the difference it's actually making. And if I plug that back in, I am jumping from environment to environment so you can really see the effects of the Lark M2. So right now what I have is a windshield on it. So it does come with two, one for each of the TX units. And what that is going to do is kind of knock down that wind and that extra noise in the background. And in the process, just giving you the best quality that I can. Now, these are really, really light. They're only 9 grams. You do not feel them on your shirt when you're wearing them, to be honest. Plus, they do have some really cool extra fun features as well, I do want to point out, like these. So these are really fun stickers that you can actually stick on and customize your Lark M2. So not only do you have different configurations of how you can use it, how you can wear it, but then you can customize it and make it fun as well. So it does actually come with a charging case, which is fantastic because it allows you to actually charge the Lark M2 throughout the day in a portable manner. So you'll just put in your 2 TXs there and your RX here, and that will charge it. And they do have a long battery life. The TXs will actually last up to 10 hours with ANC turned off. The other great thing is they do actually supply an app. It's called Lark Sound. If you download it and you have your RX connected, you can then control the TXs through an app itself. So you can actually turn on noise cancellation and turn it off, and then you can change it from strong to weak. Right now, I don't have the TXs connected because I have it connected to my camera that I am filming on. You do have a volume settings from low, medium, high, and then speaker play, so it'll play back. So Hollyland does actually release 4 different SKUs when it comes to the Lark M2. So they do have the Lark M2 combo, which is what I'm looking at today. And then they have the Lark M2 camera. So it's just going to have everything you need to connect it to a camera. There's the Lark M2 with lightning plug. So that's going to be to connect to the type of phone that I had with the original lightning plug. And then they have the Lark M2 with USB-C. So that's going to obviously be to connect to phones and stuff that use a USB-C. As someone who uses lavalier mics on a daily basis, I will say the Lark M2 is a fantastic lavalier system. The fact that you have so many different connection ways that you can actually attach it to yourself is so small and kind of inconspicuous that I can have it on my shirt with a fun sticker. I can have it on my shirt and probably won't be picked up in most camera cases unless you brought attention to it. I have used other ones where they're a bit bulkier, and even when they're sitting on your collar, they kind of weigh you down, or when you're holding it, it's just very obvious. If you don't want to be that obvious, then the Lark M2 is fantastic for that. I know they are having a Black Friday sale, so that's going to be the time to pick these up if you are interested. And like I said earlier, they do come in 4 different SKUs, so they're really set up for your specific needs. I personally would recommend the combo, That's me personally, and it's because I do skip between my phone to a camera all the time. So this just gives me a lot of versatility and gives me the ability to mic up more than one person at a time. If you did find this useful, please leave a comment below, like and share, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this.
Step 1. Search for Lark M2 on Amazon in your country. Choose your SKU. One click closer. Free for the first 10 orders. Act fast.